Yo, welcome back, guys. So today I have a big trade idea for you guys, and also we're going to be going through how I took my trade and also show you new setup for today to trade. So currently we're on gold. Today analysis was very simple, and also I'm going to be showing you guys a breakdown so that you guys can do it yourself, obviously. So make sure everything I'm saying here, I'll be calling them live on my Telegram. The links will be in the description. Make sure you join and let's trade together. So let's go straight to business. First, we got gold. Gold have been trending. Gold have been trending. We've been making a lot of pips, a lot of money from gold. So if you look, this move, we caught it to the downside. Yes, and also that was last week, right? That was last week. We were able to sell gold. We're making a lot of money from here. And this week so far, I think on Friday or so, this week we entered the street and ETP. So everything is in my Telegram. Let's go and join. So today I'm going to show you the trade setup I have for you guys and what are my thought process in taking these trades. How do I do my analysis or stuff like that. So firstly, you go on the higher time frame. I think I made a video before on how I break down gold from beginning. So I think so just go and watch that video. I don't want to make this video like I'm repeating myself. But let me just give you guys this. First thing when you want to trade, you go on the higher time frame, you go and look for your trend. So if you go on the higher time frame, you see that gold is bearish, seriously bearish. So you'll be scaling down, you do a top down analysis, you'll be scaling down. So this is the last trade I took on gold. This is the last trade I took on gold. Gold was creating series of low, high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? So now, if we want to sell, we sell at previous highs resistance or we sell at high. So market reached the high, market gave us our entry signal, and now the market have created a new lower low. I think this setup that Gold is currently um, doing right now, I've explained it countless time, right? Good have been doing this since let's say this month. This Good have been forming this setup very well. So let me just explain it again. If market creating bearish structure, lower lows and lower highs, right? And the market create a lower high, right? Market is going down. If the market break this previous low that can be used as resistance, if you break it and it did not give a good impulsive move to the downside like this to use it as resistance, instead, let me see, I don't want to, instead the markets like break it small, the market start retracing. The seller sitting at this level, the seller sitting at this level will not be able to push the market down. He might push it sometimes, but let's say 9 out of 10 times, maybe 7 times, he will not be able to push it down. So you understand, because this is game of probability. So the thing you're gonna do is you look for levels. Okay, since that level can market cannot sell at that level, the next level to sell at is high. Market will come here, market will come here, then it will sell. If the market not sell there, it will sell at trend line. It will sell at the trend line. So these are your levels. Either market sell at high or sell at trend line. So that is what gold is currently doing. Please pay attention here so that you understand. The market come here, the market sell. Or the market come here, then it sell. So just for you to be patient, wait for the retracement to happen, and what is the name? Wait for your entry signal. Then you take your trade. Simple. It's nothing hard. This is good. Gold is not complicated. Even when you are looking at fundamental of gold, it's not that gold. The thing I like with gold is that it's not like the intermarket analysis with other currency pairs is not that strong. So gold like kind of move on his own with his own fundamentals. Gold move when there's fear and when yields are low, that's when you see goods going up. That would be a good bull run. But if yields are high, currently yields are high right now, gold will not have momentum to push higher. And Currently we're in fear, but more of commodity. The commodity that is in charge right now is oil. It's not metals. So that is just it. So good does not have any fundamental to push up. You understand? So we're in a bearish trend right now. So what is my prediction? Um this trade we risked 2% on this trade, making it 6% because we have a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So little few pips above 6%, but just 6% though. 1 to 3, if you risk two, you make six. So that is how we got this trade. Very simple. Make sure you join the Telegram. Link is in the description. Just simple things. Nothing too complex. Come, let me see something. Seeing this market jetting trend line. So, what is my prediction for this market now? My prediction is the same thing what I explained. Market a, created a high, a lower high, a lower low, right? So market now create a lower high. Market created a new lower low. But this impulsive move is not, it's not strong enough to sell at this resistance. Obviously, the market will push higher. If the market push higher, my first level to sell this market is at this level here. At this level here to sell. Or if that level will not hold, then I will introduce what they call trend lines. I introduce what we call a trend line. And if you see the market have rejected trend line is going down. I introduce trend line. You have to understand price action very well to be able to trade. Not just price action, even fundamentals. You have to understand everything, sentiment and everything. So this was um CPI yesterday, but more I wasn't active, so I didn't trade CPI yesterday. But it was easy. When the market retraces, exactly what I explained, market use this level, this previous high as support, because we need a retracement. We need a retracement. And when CPI came out, everybody was expecting CPI. Not everybody, sure, because NFP came out poor. NFP came out poor. So let me just talk a little bit about fundamental. Beginning of the month, NFP came out on Friday, the first Friday of the month, and it came out poor and created high unemployment. So that means there will not be enough money to circulate the economics. So people will not have money to spend. And when people are not spending money, then there won't be inflation. That is why NFP data came out low. So right now, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be trading off that data for now, which caused a kind of retracement in the dollar and also yield. So that was what pushed gold up. We got the low data that came out. So we're going to be working with that data, seeing FOMC. We're going to see what FOMC will make, the decision they'll make. Either they'll start easing rates, maybe they'll be dovish or they'll be hawkish. Let's just see. For now, we're going to be trading off that data. So market reject this trend line. So market start going down. For me right now, I will not be trading. This will be my setup. My first setup, this will be my level to sell. See, I put my trend line. My next setup is very simple. My next setup is I'm going to be expecting the market to come. All right, so I'm going to be waiting for the market to like break this low. Wait for it to come down to break this low. When you break this low, you can trade the breakout if you break this low, or you wait for a break and retracement, then you sell. Then at that point, this will now, if the market break this low, this new low the market created here, market break this low, market break this low, then this level will not be your new high. This level will not be your high. But that time the market will have formed something like this. So for something like this, then you'll be targeting either here or here to sell the market continuation. So for now, the market already played out. You can see the market rejected this trend line. So if you're trading good this period, you have to be using trend line. Look at it. After the NFP market started selling since yesterday. I told you guys yesterday I was not active, so nothing. I wasn't able to trade. So that is just it. Let's look at let me do a little bit of let's go. Let me show you guys you. Let's see how the NFCPI affected the market yesterday. So you have to be monitoring macros, you know. So obviously what the market did was just a retracement. When the data came out poor, the market just retraced, use that as retracement, and now the market is going higher. Yield is still strong. So that means gold will still be going down. If you want to trade gold, you have to be monitoring yield. Yield is still high. Gold will still be going down, so we don't have any problem shorting gold for now. Yeah. So I think let me see the dollar. You don't have any business with dollar. If you're a good trader, you don't just it's not that interconnected. Sha. You have business where you are doing intermarket, but not that strong. Dollar does use that as a retracement. Dollar is kind of in a little bit of equal lows and equal highs here range. So if you're trading this my trade, this my trade. I was monitoring this trade yesterday. If you're in my telegram, you see it. USJPY. I say USDCHF. This was his trade. It was easy when the news came out. Dollar was weakened. Dollar fell because of poor results, and the dollar now is gaining strength because yield is still strong. So just go and learn fundamentals, sentiment, and your technicals. Make sure you are good at that, and obviously you make money. That is just this is a simple trade. So this is my setup. My setup for this week. I think most of the setup have played out. This one. What I'm predicting for gold right now, right, is either a breakout from here, quite a jet trend line, a breakout, or if you're not someone that like trading breakout, wait for a break and retest, then you sell to the downside. So we're still bearish on gold. That's my analysis on gold, and this was the trade we that made all the 6%. Yeah, let's go. Like, subscribe, and join the Telegram, and obviously I will keep making new videos.